It seems like my voice is getting deeper and deeper as I speak. Okay, but what I just mentioned was, or rather is the plan roadmap ahead for stars. And with each new world, you can expect the enemies and bosses to be more intelligent and more challenging. So sometimes it might seem impossible to defeat them, but they will be challenging but not impossible to defeat. Because if a game is not challenging enough, that is no fun in playing it. So that's about it for the roadmap plan ahead for stars, or rather some part of it. More will be revealed as we progress along the game development of stars. So as we were mentioning just now, just nice the exporting of the images is completed. So these are the exported images. So if you move the selection up and down fast enough, this can be, or rather this will be the animation that you will see within the game. This is the moving animation. This is the animation for when you are stunned. The eyes pointing downwards is a dead giveaway that she is upset and since she is stunned. So now that we have exported all of this, all of the images over here, let's close that file. Okay, and let's bring them to the game directory. Okay, and this is the drumstick shield. Okay, I'm just checking OBS to make sure everything is running fine. Okay. Okay, so we are finally back at Unity. Okay, so these are the images that we have just imported to the game. Oh, okay, so we need to change them to RGBA 32-bit. Okay, and the reason why we need to do so is because when your character get damaged. Oh wait. Okay, so we might not need to do so. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to create the game object for our new character. Okay, so to do so, we are going to duplicate Asuka, who is our third character. Okay, so that we can create our fourth character. Okay, you think I score ideal or idle 0? Okay, so this is our fourth character, eating. Okay, so since she is slightly heavier, okay, we will make her slightly heavier by increasing the gravity's, or rather increasing gravity's effect on her. Okay, but she will have a health of 7, a starting health of 7. Okay, but her mana will only be 5. Okay, let's edit some of the properties. Okay, for our new character over here. Whoa. 0.6. Nope. Okay, this will do for the circle collider. Okay. Okay, next is our ground check, which we use to determine if a character is in mid-air or on a platform. Okay. Okay, so now we need to add the character's name, okay, to the script so that we can identify this game object as the new character and not Asuka. Okay, so over here, okay, we'll add one more character name and let's call it eating. And over here under character name, okay, we'll select eating, okay, so that we can differentiate her from the other characters. Okay, and there's one more thing we need to do here for the constant. Okay, so this line special underscore move underscore MP mana points underscore cost, okay, is the amount of mana, okay, required for you to use your special skill. So depending on the character you are playing at the moment, okay, it will change. So for Asuka, for beat and roll, you need 5 mana, but for Asuka's counter you need just 2. Okay, so for our new character, okay, since her special skill, okay, makes her invincible, okay, we'll make it a requirement that you have to use all of your mana, which is 5, to use it. Okay, so now that we have that down, okay, it's time to add the various animations for our new character. Okay, so to do that, we will need to create a new animator or animator. Okay, animator controller. Okay, so over here under the animator, okay, we will use the new animator which we have just created and drag it over here. Okay, so any new animations that we create will be for eating. Okay, so let's create the various parameters, okay, so that we can base the animations of whether they are true or not or false. Okay, if stun, okay, if game started, okay, if slippery, and if trigger special, and if revert special. Okay, so trigger special is when you press your S key, Okay, and revert special is for it to go back to the normal animations after the special skill is no longer in effect. Okay, so we need to capture the normal speed, moving speed. Okay, and the vertical speed. Okay, so that's about it. So based on all of these parameters, we will create the animations. Okay, so the first animation that we will create, animations is called eating_idle. So it's basically what it is. Okay, it is the idling animation for eating. So let's go to our sprites over here. Okay, so let's drag and drop the frames. And let's use a frame rate of 90 frames per second. Okay, we might need to improve or rather increase the frame rate. Okay, so Asuka is using a frame rate of 95. Row is also using a frame rate of 95. Okay, so as bit, so let's try 95. Okay. Okay, so this is the default starting animation. Okay, so let's just check OBS to make sure that the stream is running smoothly. Okay. Okay, next we will create the animations for when she is idling and facing the left. Okay, idle left. Okay. Okay, so this is the animation that will play. Okay, when she's facing the left and when she's idling. that is when she's not moving and not getting stunned or falling or anything of that sort. Okay, so next we'll do the same thing for the right side. Okay, now that we have the 3 idling animations, okay, let's connect them. Okay, if game started, okay. Okay, so if the game has started, and if facing right is false, okay, we'll go to the idling animation on the left. Okay, but if facing right is true, then we will go to the idling animation on the right. Okay, so next is the animation for when she is moving. So let's call it underscore move underscore left.